Hello, between these two numbers, we have 2 to the power of 234 and 5 to the power of 100. Which of these two numbers is the bigger number? So this is what we are going to achieve without the use of calculator. Now, let's start with this one here. 5 to the power of 100. I have 5 to the power of 100 here. This equals, now I can express this 100 here a summation of 99 and 1. So we'll have 5 to the power of 99 plus 1. Now, if you have a power x plus y equals a power x times a power y. Applying this right here, I will have 5 to the power of 99 times 5 to the power of 1. So from here, we also express this 99 as product of 3 and 33. Remember, 3 times 33 is 99, so this will give us 5 to the power of 3 times 33, which is this 99 here, and this will multiply 5. Of course, 5 power 1 is 5. Now, we consider this other identity. If you have a power n times n equals a power n to the power of m. We apply this identity here again, and we have this equals 5 to the power of 3 to the power of 33 times 5. So the next step will be to find out what is 5 to the power of 3. And 5 to the power of 3 is 5 times 5 times 5. So this simply means 5 times 5 times 5 raised to the power of 33 times 5. And from here, this will give us 5 times 5, 25, 25 times 5, 1 to 5 power 33 times 5. So we can see that 5 to the power of 100 is the same thing as 1 to 5 to the power of 33 times 5. Let's take note of this. Now, let's consider this other one here, 2 to the power of 234. So let's copy that one out. I have 2 to the power of 234. Now, I will also start by expressing this 234 as product of 3 times 78. So this equals 2 to the power of 3 times 78. Now, from here, I will express this 78 here as summation of 77 and 1. This will be 2 to the power of 3 times 78 is simply 77 plus 1. So from here, I can simply have it as 2 to the power of, this will be, let's use this 3 to expand. 3 times 77 plus 3 times 1, that is 3. Have you seen it? So from here, I can express this as, we have 2 to the power of 3 times 77 times 2 to the power of 3. Now remember this identity. If you have a power n plus m equals a power n times a power m. So we apply this identity here. Alright, so we simply continue. We have 2 to the power of. Now this 3 times 77, we can simply express it as 3 times 77 is simply 11 times 7. Then we have times 2 to the power of 3. So from here, we can simply have this as, let's multiply 3 times 11, that is 33, right? So we have 2 to the power of 33 times 7 times 2 to the power of 3. And from here, we go back to this identity. If you have a power n times n equals a power n all to the power of n, and also equals a power m all to the power of n. Take note of this. So we are applying this right here. And that means we can simply express this as 2 to the power of 7 raised to the power of 33 times 2 to the power of 3. And from here, we can express this as 2 to the power of 7 is 2 into 7 places, right? So that means we are simply going to have it as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, that is 2 to the power of 7. And this is raised to the power of 33 times 2 to the power of 3, right? So from here, we will simply have 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 8 times 2, 16 times 2, 32 times 2, 64 times 2, 128 to the power of 33 times 2 to the power of 3 is 8. So that means 2 to the power of 234 equals 128 to the power of 33 times 8. Let's take note of this as well. So right now, we have copied out this, or we have expressed it in this form. And for this, we have also expressed it in this form. 125 to the power of 33 times 5 against 128 to the power of 33 times 8. So let me copy it down here, professors. This is 125 to the power of 33 times 5. Now look at what we are comparing. We have simplified the both numbers to these forms. So we are comparing between this and this. Now, let's consider this base here. This is 128 and this is 125. So 128 is greater than 125. That one is established. Here is 33 and here is 33. They are both the same. So that one will cancel out. This cancel out, right? But this is 3 times greater than this, right? Or is 3 greater than this. Now here is times 8. And here is times 5. We all know that a number times 8 will be greater than a number times 5. Meanwhile, this also is greater than this. So it is obvious that 128 to the power of 33 times 8 is greater than 125 to the power of 33 times 5. And not only that, Not only that, because this 128 to the power of 33 times 8 is the same thing as 2 power 234. While this one here is the same thing as 5 power 100. So at the end of it all, this one here, 2 power 234, is greater than 5 to the power of 100. And we have achieved this without the use of calculator. So guys, that is it. Consider subscribing and sharing this video. Thank you and goodbye.